I'm Meir Ezra here with a piece of truth for you, and today I want to talk to you about failure. So I want you to spot the first time you considered that failure is possible for you. You know, you were born and you didn't think about failure. You didn't think, well, I'm going to fail. You were growing and growing and growing, and at one point you decided that failure is possible, which means you had the consideration that failure is possible, and from that moment on, failure becomes something you entertain. A second before that, there was no such thing as failure for you. Now, once you will spot this point where you decided that failure is possible, you will realize that unless you consider that failure is possible, failure is not a possibility for you. And the question, of course, is what can you do? Let's say you have an area you are failing at. You are not doing well in business, or you are not doing well with your relationships, or you are not doing well health-wise. What you need to do is something that a little bit do not make sense at the beginning, but if you will understand the mechanism, you will see that it makes a lot of sense. So what you need to do is to take this thing that you're failing at, and you need to try to fail at it. Yes, because for as long as you're trying not to fail at it and you're failing, you are the effect of the situation. But if you try to fail and you're actually failing, you're actually becoming cause, and you are successful at failing. And then since you are cause, you will be able to direct the results. So what you have to do in order to improve a bad condition is to become cause over that condition. And you become cause, first of all, by matching the situation. So if you're failing, okay, good, let me do it badly. If I'm trying to do a dance move and it doesn't work so well, let me do it incorrectly. I want to do it incorrectly. And then once I gain control on doing it incorrectly, I will improve and improve and improve because I became cause over the dance move. The applications are endless. You cannot sleep, force yourself not to sleep. You have a headache, create the headache. It applies to almost any area of life. If something do not work for you, try to do it badly. You will gain control over it. And at that moment, you will see, you will start to control the environment, you will start to control the situation. Meir Ezra, an amazing piece of truth for you. Bye-bye.